Hi. On today's video we're going to learn more about the verb can and could and how to use it. We use can and can't to talk about someone's skill or general abilities. Using can in positive sentences. She can speak several languages. He can swim like a fish. I can sleep until noon. They can work as a team. Dogs can run very fast. Use can in negative sentences. James can't dance very well. She can't sleep at night. Because he is in the library, he can't make any noise. Now let's see how to ask questions using can. Can she dance very well? Yes, she can. Can he run and text at the same time? No, he can't. Can the dog swim? Yes, it can. Now we use could and couldn't to talk about the past. He could speak several languages. He could run fast when he was young. I could read one book every week. He couldn't listen very well. She couldn't eat spicy food. The car couldn't move. We use could have to say that someone had the ability or opportunity to do something, but did not do it. She could have taught her kid how to ride. We could have met months ago at the park. I could have saved some money.